Now you can see, just from the sod being removed, this is just collected with water. Matter of fact, it's so full over here with water, even though we took 2.5 inches out, it's starting to just spread into the lawn. Once our system's in, this water goes down through the stone into the high octane, which is just a giant void. Since this is going to have slope, the water is going to just be gravity fed to our sump pump system. This is why you don't fill in your low spots in your yard. They're perfect for running the system and collecting the water. You want to grab up the water in the lowest points. This doesn't meander because of any other reason. We were staying in the lowest point of the yard, and this is just how it happened to meander. That's how you collect water. That's how you design your system. Just look for the lowest points. If you want to build a yard drain inside your French drain and just make the most of that trench, I recommend it. All the bulk water here, I definitely want a yard drain with my French drain. All right, so at this point, it took us 2 hours to get here. It's winter, it's January, we don't have much daylight. It's the shortest days of the year. The goal now is, let's just get all the dirt out of this trench so that we can come out today with the track hoe. Again, we are only operating with 2 trucks, 2 trailers. We came in with what we needed, a little extra. If we can get all the dirt removed today and get one piece of equipment out of here, it's going to make tomorrow really easy. Everything's got to be methodically done when you're going 2 hours away from where you dispatch from. There's no time to go to Home Depot. There's no time to go to a rental center. You have 2 hours there and 2 hours back, and the days are short. It's winter in Michigan.